Okay. Now see, before doing the process, why this process I'll tell you. Before applying the procedure, once you have to check the thing I told, when the numerator comes with x, the relationship you have to check. The numerator also x, denominator also x. Then I told the relationship we need to check. What is the relationship? Derivative of the denominator is in the numerator or not. Derivative of the numerator denominator is in the numerator. Is it working? Derivative of the denominator is in the numerator. Just to check, my dear. 2x square derivative will be 4x, isn't it? X derivative will be 1. So we can go with the substitution. We don't want to do anything further. Put 2x square plus x minus 3. Here, why I didn't check that? Because numerator is 1. I don't want to check. That's why I directly went to completing square technique. So here, when the numerator and denominator involving with the function, you should check, especially in the fraction problems. You should check whether the derivative of the denominator and numerator is matching. Yes, of course it is matching. 2x square will be 4x, x will be 1. Yeah, into dx equal to dt. So directly you can replace the question. Directly replace the question. Integral over 4x plus 1 over 2x square plus x minus 3. We can directly replace as what? Numerator as dt, denominator as root t. Already I told, when you integrate root t, 1 by root t, 2 times root t plus c. And t value should be written. Problem is completed. Okay, this is the advantage. Understood. Okay, no doubt. Clear? Okay, 17th question. Also working but partially. 17th question you have to say x square derivative is 2x. X is there. We don't want this 2. So we have to separate. This is already we did one of the question. Second, you have to make it as plus 2 over. This is how the question number 17 should be did. So here x square minus 1 can be taken as t. Derivative 2x into dx equal to dt. So x into dx will be dt by 2. This is for first. Second, you can take 2 outside. That will be matching directly to the formula. Isn't it, my dear? This will be matching directly to the formula. X into dx will be dt by 2, right? So the first integral will be converted dt by 2 into root t. So 1 by 2 can be taken outside. Integral answer of dt divided by root t will be 2 root t. This is direct formula. This 2 you can cut. This will be root t will still remain a square, x square minus 1 square. A square minus x, x square minus a square formula. Conclude and completed, no, my dears. Second part also. A square, x square minus a square formula you can implement and finish it. And don't forget to replace t value. X square minus 1, okay? Okay. Now we can move on to question number 8. So 8, the procedure will be required, okay? Now see. So listen from the beginning. So 5x minus 2. Numerator should be taken. And capital, because here it will not work. See, my dear, 3x square will be 6x, but we are having 5x. And 2x can be 2. It is there partially, but even though it is little difficult, you just listen. 5x minus 2, you just to make it as procedure format. A d by dx of the denominator, what we are having, 3x square plus 2x plus 1 plus b. This is what the procedure I have given. Take, okay, now we have to differentiate because that should be for this differentiation should be taken place. You will come to know why we are doing this. 3x square will become 6x, 2x will become 2 plus b. You can take it as equation number 1. Okay. Next process finding AB. We can find AB by equating the coefficient. Highest coefficient is x power 1. So now you have to write equate coefficient of x on both sides. This we can we implemented in partial fraction also. Coefficient of x. Left hand side coefficient of x is 5. Right hand side coefficient of x is 6a after taking a inside 6a. So a is equal to 5 by 6. A value found. Okay. Next, what we can equate constant. If we equate constant, or else put x equal to 0. That is the indirect meaning of constant. Minus 2 will be left hand side. And here constant means 2 times a plus b. So we are equating constant on both sides. So what is a value we found? 5 by 6 plus b. 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. So minus 2 plus 5 by 3 will be coming to this side, minus 5 by 3 plus b. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 5, 11 by 3. So negative 11 by 3. That is the value of b. Do you have any doubt on finding a, b? If it is okay, give thumbs up. Or else if you want further explanation, please tell me. Explanation required, you just give the raise hand, and if you don't want, you can give thumbs up. Okay, fine. AB value clear, no? Okay, thank you, Krish. Okay. Others understood, Asna, John?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now, this A value and B value, this A value and B value, we can replace in equation number 1. So that's why I kept equation number 1, naming. Equation number 1 implies 5x minus 2. A value is equal to 5 by 6. B value is equal to negative 11 by 3. This is what the numerator value. Make a box. This is how the procedure is working, my dear. Okay. 5x minus 2, 5 by 6 times 6x plus 2, negative 11 by 3. It's fine. Now we can go back with the question, 18th question. So we did some adjustments. Now we can go with the question. So what is question? 18th question. Now I'm rewriting. Question number 8. Even this also you can do first of all. That also we can make now itself 3x square plus 2x plus 1, right? Completing square. 3 can be taken common. This part also you can do. We don't want to do again and again. So finish it off. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. You know this idea. Already we discussed. And take half of the coefficient of x is 2 by 3. Half of 2 by 3 is 1 by 2. 2 you can cut. 1 by 3 will come. 1 by 3 the whole square will be 1 by 3 the whole square. Adding, subtracting. 1 by 3 the whole square minus 1 by 3 the whole square plus 1 by 3. Why we are dividing by 3? You understood, because 3 taken common. So here there is no 3, here there is no 3, we are dividing. And without any doubt, the first part can be written x plus 1 by 3 the whole square. Am I right? X plus 1 by 3 the whole square. We don't want to dig further. And negative 1 by 3 will be negative 1 by 9, positive 1 by 3. Multiply 3 by 3 LCM. So negative 3 by 9, 2 by 9. Final outcome will be 2 by 9. So you can write 2 by 9 as root 2 by 3 the whole square. Many things I did according to the previous knowledge. So 1 by 3 written as 1 by 9, and the existing 1 by 3 I wrote here, and then LCM taken, 3 minus 1 will be 2 by 3. Positive 2 by 9. And I made it as a perfect form, root 2 by 3 the whole square. Any confusion, my dear? Is it clear, no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Okay. Okay, we'll move on to the question. Now, these adjustments, how it is working, I'll tell you. Logic is simple, right? We are converting to convenient form. That's it. Question number I'm writing, and the same question 5x minus 2 over 3x square. You can write as 3x square and 2x plus 1. I made it in order into dx. And see, according to our first box, 5x minus 2, we converted like this, 5 by 6 times 6x plus 2. Check that, negative 11 by 6 or 9, something. What is the b value was? Can you, anyone? B value was?
Negative 11 by 3.
11 by
3.
6. Okay. Yeah, fine. Thank you. Whole divided by the equation 3x square. So the first box I applied. That's what 5x minus 2 is converted like this. Now you can separate this as two integral. Sir, why you didn't replace this value? That I will tell you. Don't replace 3x square to x plus 1 now. That I will tell you. 11 by 3 or 11 by 11 by 3. Thank you, mate. 11 by 3. Okay, let it be. You just write correctly. Okay, 3. This I didn't replace. Now I'll tell you why. Now you can divide it as two integral. One integral for the first box, 5 by 6 times 6x plus 2 over 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 11 by 3 times this equation. As two integral I separate. Okay, now take 5 by 6 outside. We don't want that over there. 6x plus 2 I wrote. Now you have to see the magic, my dear. Okay, this 11 by 3 also we can take out. Here I am replacing. Here I am replacing x plus 1 by 3 the whole square, negative root 2 by 3 the whole square. Positive, right? Whole square. Here I didn't replace, here I replaced. Purpose I'll tell you. Also you can see one magic. Unknowingly, if you check the denominator, 3x square derivative is what? 6x came on the top. And 2x derivative is nothing but 2 that came on the top. That is the power of that first step.
Sir,
You
I
got
didn't
it?
understand.
Yeah, 3x square derivative is what, my dear?
6x.
Yeah, it is there in the numerator, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
2x derivative is what?
2.
That is also there in the denominator. For bringing this
Okay.
into the picture, we applied the first step. You remember what is the first step? Numerator is equal to a times d by dx of, we wrote, no, a plus b.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Why we did that? To brought this step. You got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now you have to see if the derivative of the denominator is in the numerator, what is the answer? If the derivative of the denominator is in the numerator, then what is the answer, my dear?
Could be 1.
Huh?
No, like
Derivative of the denominator is in the numerator, then what is the answer? We can do by substitution also, but direct formula I told you, no? Derivative of the denominator is in the numerator, then what is the answer? Sna, unmute and tell me.
Log of
Log of the denominator. Log of the denominator. So the first answer will be, first integral answer will be 5 by x times log of the denominator. What is log of the denominator? 3x square plus 2x plus 1. That integral is over. Second, you have to apply the formula. After taking the 3 outside, apply the formula. After taking 3 outside, just apply the formula. Which formula will apply? X square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. X value will be x plus 1 by 3, a value will be root 2 by 3. So your answer will be coming like this, 5 by 6, 5 by 6, 5 by 6 times log of the denominator is 3x square plus 2x plus 1 and negative 11 by 3. I took that 1 by 3 also out. 1 by a. 1 by a value will be 2 by 3, root 2 by 3, tan inverse of x by a, x plus 1 by 3 divided by a, 2 by, root 2 by 3. You just to check you are writing in this way, plus c. So take the reciprocal. So final outcome will be 5 by 6 log of the denominator 3x square plus 2x plus 1, and when you take 11 by 9 will come, 3 3s are. Same way, root 2 by 3 will be turned to 3 by root 2. You can cut this also. And the same moment you can take LCM. Tan inverse of 3x plus 1 by 3 divided by root 2 by 3. 3 can cut and conclude the answer. Okay, my dears. Clear, no? Shall we do question number 19 with root? with root. Question number 19. So take first you have to expand the denominator. So you will be getting x square minus 9x plus 20. When you expand the denominator, multiplication will provide x square minus 9x plus 20. We can do the completing square first. The basic things and all will finish first, then we can proceed the procedure. So x square can be written, 9x can be written, half of 9 is 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 the whole square, negative 9 by 2 the whole square, and you can write the plus 20 at the last. And this can be written directly, x minus 9 by 2 the whole square. Why 9 by 2 minus came? Because of this negative, a square minus b square form. So till this it is over. Negative 9 by 2 will be negative 89 by 4. Now I am simplifying this too. 9 9s are 81, 2 2s are 4, plus 20. So here there is no 4, multiply by 4, divided by 4. 4 2s are 80. 80 minus 81 will be negative 1 by 4. So that can be written negative 1 by 2 the whole square. So completing square part is completed. So keep it safe in your custody. Now we can start the procedure. What is the first step? Taking the numerator 6x plus 7, 8 times derivative of the equation which we have in the denominator, x square negative 9x plus 20 plus b. Now differentiate. Sorry, 6x plus 7, right? 6x plus 7. Differentiate. X square will be 2x, 9x will be 9 plus b. Take it as equation number 1. Equating coefficient of x. If you equate coefficient of x, left hand side will be getting 6, right hand side will be getting 2a. So which leads that a value is equal to 3. Constant. Now you can equate constant. Left hand side 7, right hand side negative 9a plus b. Be very careful, my dear. X means 2a and constant means 9a. A value we got as 3. 9 3s are 27. When you bring to left hand side, it's positive 27. So B value implies 34. You to cross check what I did correct or not. Any problem in AB values? Okay, no? AB value is perfect, right? Any deviations? So I wrote question again. Now 6x plus 7 value we can replace. What we found using the procedure 3 times 2x minus 9 and the b value is 34. Writing the denominator. Now separating as two integral. 3 can be taken out. 2x minus 9 divided by x square 9x plus 20 plus 34 outside. Here I am writing the completing square. X minus 9 by 2 the whole square negative 1 by 2 the whole square. The first box we used here. So now we can't write directly as log of the denominator because root is there, right? So shall we start? In root, suppose if you have this situation, even substitution also you can skip directly, you can write 2 times the answer. Even in substitution method also you will get that only. You know, after the substitution you will be getting this situation, dt by root t. Right? Already I told 1 by root t answer is 2 times root t. That only you will be getting. So when without root, log of the denominator, with root, you can write 2 times root of the denominator. That you can keep it in mind. When you start substitution, you will be reaching like this step only, my dear. So again and again, we don't want to show it. Directly, you can write 2 times root of the denominator. When without root, log of the denominator. Previous problem we did know. That's it. So you can skip the substitution also. They won't ask. Okay, directly you can write 2 times the denominator. So 2 times denominator. And here you can apply the formula for, 3 times 2 times into root of the denominator. I hope you understood what I'm saying. And then 34 is outside. This you can implement dx divided by square root of x square minus a square formula. That's it. That is the answer. Can you do question number 23? We can wind up. You just put the answer in the chat box. Question number 23. I'll wait until your answer. Don't copy from the Google and paste and don't tell I complete. If you finish something, I'll be happy. I can understand you understood completely. Take the denominator, apply the first step. Before you just check whether the derivative concept is matching or not. No, it's not matching. So apply the procedure. I wrote for your reference A value, B value. A value, B value should be replaced. Now the task completing step. Five is equal to 5x 2 x square. This process will be half of 4 is 2. 2 square will be plus 2 square minus 2 square. And the plus 10. Soon after we can write x plus 2 the whole square and 6 positive 6. Positive 6 can be written with 6 the whole square. We just check whether it's matching or not. Now rewrite the question. 5 by 2. So step I am skipping. Second, based on that minus 6 you can take out. Write the perfect square. So as I told, directly can write 2 times root of the denominator. So we are 6 times 1 by 8 and this is root, no? The formula can check x square plus a square. Log of x plus root of x square plus a square. I hope you all got this. Okay now? Yeah, very good, very good, very good. Very good. Thank you. Asna given the answer. So in integration, we finished partial fraction and partial fraction, that the last class questions have you done? I have given no 3 questions as homework, like just check, make sure you have completed. Very good, Ashwin. Thank you. Partial fraction, so we are completed 7.6, I think 7.5 also as a partial fraction. Now we need to discuss by parts third method that we start in the next class. Okay, have a take a rest and join for the third period. Okay, thank you. Siddiq sir,
Yes, sir.
I'm winding up. Okay,
Okay.
but don't mention that. Okay,
Okay, sir.
if thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Take care. Bye.